Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a one brand or a full face of makeup using only Too Faced cosmetics. This is the look that I came up with for a full face of Too Faced. It's a beautiful, juicy, glowy, dewy, neutral makeup look. Loving how the base and lips look today. I generally love focusing on the eyes, but today's look is all about the lips. Just look at the size of my lips. They just went from small to double XL. It's that big of a size, but I'm absolutely loving my plumpy juicy lips. You guys will know what all products I use to get this juicy plumpy effect on my lips. So if you want to know how I created this neutral glowy juicy dewy makeup look using Too Faced, then please do continue watching.
To begin with, I have already cleansed my face using the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser. It is very gentle and mild on the skin and clears all the dirt and impurity away from the skin. To moisturize my skin, I'm going to use the Dermavive Moisturizing Lotion for dry skin conditions. I have been loving this moisturizer for the winter season because it takes away the dryness that is caused during the winters and moisturizes and hydrates your skin beautifully and sits so perfectly under makeup as a pre-makeup base. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is a mini one. I always use this product before beginning with my makeup because once I reach the lipstick application, my lips become very juicy and plumpy and super hydrated. So I absolutely love this product. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Pomade in a Pencil eyebrow pencil. I think this is in the shade Espresso, and I'm using that to fill in my eyebrows. So first I use the spoolie to comb through my brows and then using the pencil side to fill in my brows very boldly for today's look. Once I'm happy with the shaping, I'm just going to use the spoolie once again to comb through my brows. Then I'm taking the Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch and applying that all over the eyelids and underneath the eyebrow region to make my eyeshadows pop and to make my eyebrows look more sharper and defined. And then using my concealer blending brush, I'm just tapping the concealer in to blend it out. For eyeshadow palette, I absolutely freaking love this eyeshadow palette. This is the Teddy Bear eyeshadow palette from them. Just look how cute the packaging is, and that teddy bear is everything. So I picked up this beautiful mustardy matte eyeshadow color and just applying that all over the crease and just making sure that it is blown out. Then I'm going to take the warmer brown matte eyeshadow from the same palette on a tapered brush and just applying that on the crease and deepening up my crease ever so slightly. Then I'm going to take another shade which is like a brown shade but with a hint of red to it. So again, I'm going to use the shade on the crease to make my crease look more in depth. For the shimmer eyeshadow, I'm going to pick up this gorgeous champagne pink eyeshadow on my flat eyeshadow brush and just applying that on the empty space of the center of the eyelids, but until the outer corners. I'm going to leave the outer corners free. Then I'm going to pick up this beautiful pinky shimmer eyeshadow. So I took that on my ring finger and just popped that on the center of my eyelids for that pop of shimmer on the eyelids. I do feel that these foiled eyeshadows work better with your fingertips. Then I'm going to pick up this beautiful rosy mauvey matte eyeshadow on another tapered brush and just applying that to the outer corners of my eyes and sort of merging it with the corners of the shimmer eyeshadow that I put just previously. Then taking this beautiful Marcella matte eyeshadow on a pencil brush and just applying that to the very outer edge and outer V of my eye for that slight bit of smokiness. and making sure that the edges are blended once I am done with the application. So I'm going ahead with another tapered brush to make sure that there are no harsh lines. To prime my face, I'm using this tiny little Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is a sample size that I received with one of my Too Faced purchases. So I'm just using that to prime my face. It's a very, very hydrating primer. It also kind of fills in your pores and makes your base look extremely smooth and healthy and dewy looking. So yeah, I am just massaging the product. Now to color correct my face, I'm taking one of those warmer shades of browns to color correct my face. I always do this from so many years and it absolutely works fine. So yeah, just applying that to the hyperpigmented areas of my face. For foundation, I'm using one of my favorite foundations from Too Faced. This is their Born This Way matte foundation, not the original one. I absolutely freaking love the matte variant from the Born This Way range. It stays put so well and gives this beautiful flawless poreless finish to the skin, which I absolutely love. So I'm just using my beauty blender to apply and blend the foundation all over the face, and whatever is left, I'm just running that to my neck and the top of my ears. Again, taking the same butterscotch concealer and just trying to conceal and slightly highlight. This particular shade is not that light of a concealer shade. It kind of oxidizes and just adjusts to my skin tone. So yeah, it's kind of like a natural highlight. That's what I would like to call it. Again, using my concealer blending brush to blend everything out. It's an extremely full coverage concealer again, and it is so beautiful on the skin. Very high coverage, very easy to blend, but yet looks non-cakey. Now before I set my face with some powder, I'm using the Hangover RX primer water setting spray and just applying that all over the face and letting it dry. And then to set my face, I'm using the Born This Way compact powder in the shade Butterscotch. Again, I'll put the exact name in the description box. First, I'm using a setting brush to go underneath my eyes and then using a powder brush to set the rest of the face. Again, I absolutely love this powder. It is so smooth, very finely milled, and gives your skin that blurry effect. You can also use this powder on its own without any base products underneath, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Now I'm taking the Killer Kajal from them, which again I absolutely love. It's one of the most smoothest, softest Kajal pencils that I have used, and also it is very jet black and very comfortable on the eyes. So I'm using that on my lower waterline, a little bit on the lower lash line, and also to tightline my eyes. Then I took the same Marcella shade on an angled brush and just going very close to my lower lash line. Then use the warmer shade of brown to blend and smoke out the edges on the lower lash line and sort of connecting it to the outer corners. For eyeliner, again, this is one of my favorite products from Too Faced. This is the Better Than Sex pen type eyeliner. OMG. It is such a beautiful jet black, fluid kind of an eyeliner and just makes your winged eyeliner game easy. I'm just creating a precise winged eyeliner on both my eyes, and as you can see, the winged eyeliner was so easy for me to create on both my eyes, and it is so jet black, waterproof, doesn't budge, looks absolutely smooth and all good things. Then to coat my lashes, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes, which is again a cult favorite, and for a reason, because it adds tons and tons of volume to your eyelashes, which is very gorgeous. For eyelashes, I use their eyelashes as well. This got recently launched on Nykaa, and this is in the style Natural Glam, which looks very pretty and natural and sort of on the glam side, just like the name suggests, and it was very comfortable on the eyes. So yeah. Now to bronze up my skin, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way compact powder in a darker shade. This is the shade Cocoa, which works so beautifully on my skin as a contour slash bronzer. So I'm just applying that to the perimeters of the face, such as the hollows, on my forehead and jawline. Also using a tapered brush on the sides of the nose as well as under my bottom lip. For blusher, I took this beautiful peachy pink shade from the eyeshadow palette itself and just popped that on my cheeks, and I think it went pretty well on the skin. Then for highlighter, I'm using their beautiful highlighter in the shade Fancy Pink Diamond, which has a pink and gold reflect to it. So I'm just applying that to the tops of the cheeks. And here comes my girl Arya saying hello to you all. So yeah, back to highlighting. I'm just applying the highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones, to the bridge of the nose, to the cupid's bow, the chin, and slightly above my eyebrows, and also to highlight the inner corners and my brow bone. I do not have any other highlighter which looks like this. It's a very unique duochrome holographic kind of a highlighter which looks absolutely beautiful on the skin. Then for lipstick, I'm taking the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bitter Cherry, which is such a pretty deep brown liquid lipstick, but it has a hint of red to it. So I'm just using that to outline my lips first and then fill them in. It is such a beautiful, comfortable, matte liquid lipstick, and also is very long lasting on the lips. Then I'm taking this product, which is their lip injection satin lip cream, I think it's called. It's not a matte finish liquid lipstick. It has a beautiful satiny finish to it, a kind of like a cream finish, I would say. So I'm just applying that first on the center of my lower lip and just mumming my lips. This liquid lipstick just makes your lips go 2 times bigger, and it is so beautiful. This is in the shade It's So Big, and such a pretty mauvey pink liquid lipstick color. And here you can see how big my lips went, right? These lip injection products from Too Faced are game changers for thin lips. I absolutely love them. Then I'm taking the lip injection lip gloss in the shade Seduction, I guess, which is such a pretty flesh toned nude color, and just slowly and gently tapping that to my upper and bottom lip, and here you will see how instantly my lips went from 0 to 100. Then to set my face again, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray, which is a beautiful product again. Just gives your skin that beautiful glossy sheen, and make sure that your makeup doesn't move or budge anywhere and stays put. And this is the final finished look using all Too Faced products. I honestly love all the products that I have from Too Faced. There is nothing that I dislike. So this is the final finished soft glam look using Too Faced Cosmetics.
So that was my full face of Too Faced Cosmetics. I'm super happy with the makeup look. It's very much on the neutral side but so flawless. The skin looks absolutely smooth and dewy, and just look at the size of my lips. I mean, I've never had such big lips. It literally looks like I have lip plumping going on. Absolutely love how the look turned out. All the products that I use in today's video will be listed in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!